Guys, so I'm going to be hosting a art competition for my OC, my main OC, if you guys know of it, like the gotcha one. And I was wondering if anybody would like to draw it, but you have to tag me in your on the video of showing my art, and I will. And when all the art is finished, I will do a third, second, and first place. So yeah. Anyways, that's all. So I'm just gonna finish this obby.